Okay, welcome back to part 3. Now what we've done is follow the instructions to collect saliva using this swab, and now if I show you this, you can see that it is mobile, flexible, and you're not going to touch this to check if there's enough saliva, but you've got to work with the person that's giving you the sample for them to tell you that the swab is completely soft and that they can move it around with their tongue and that they've saturated it with saliva. And at that stage, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes for it to completely absorb sufficient saliva. You are then ready to run your test, and when you're ready to start doing the test, you're confident that you've got adequate saliva on there. It goes down into the barrel and you simply push down and you'll hear that locking. Now you need to do that with the barrel in the upright position like that, and at that stage when it's locked down, you start your timer because you're going to read your results at between 5 and 10 minutes. Now if I lift this one up to the camera, what I'm going to do now is remove this central section just to show you what's happening in here. And you can see this element of the test starting to run. The saliva is being absorbed up the test membranes, and you've got this pinkish background becoming apparent on all 6 of the membranes. You won't see it running on the alcohol test. That doesn't run in the same way as the drug tests absorb, and you get this lateral flow. That's why it's referred to as lateral flow technology. But ideally this should be always done with the barrel left in the upright position. The reason for that is if you are tilting it, gravity is going to carry the saliva sample away from the test membranes on the upper aspect, so you're not going to get an even flow of saliva, and you may as a consequence get some of these membranes not running. So what you need to do now is just leave that with the barrel in the upright position, and then you read the results showing at between 5 and 10 minutes after you started the test. So in the final part of this demonstration, we will then show you this test at the 5-minute mark and carry you through and explain how to read your results.